All are welcome to my channel. Today's topic Mushtika Bandhana.
Do you have a moment to explore the wonders of Mushtika Bandhana? This ancient practice, often overlooked, carries a treasure chest of benefits waiting to be unlocked. Mushtika Bandhana, or hand clenching, is a simple yet profound technique that can enhance your overall well-being. It's a subtle art, a dance of the fingers, a symphony of movements that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit. Let's dive into this fascinating world of Mushtika Bandhana, beginning with the process itself. The beauty of this practice is its simplicity. You don't need any fancy equipment or a specific setting. All you need is yourself and a willingness to explore. Start by taking a comfortable seat. You can choose the base position or a cross-legged pose, whichever feels most natural to you. Extend your arms straight in front of your body, exactly at shoulder level, as if you're reaching out to the world. Now open your hands, palms facing down. Stretch your fingers to the maximum, feel the stretch and revel in it. Then, gently close your fingers to form a tight fist, tucking your thumbs inside. Feel the power in your grasp, the strength in your hold. Slowly wrap your fingers around the thumbs like a tender embrace. Unclench your fists, open your hands and stretch your fingers once again. Repeat this cycle 10 times, immersing yourself in the rhythm of your own movement. Breathing plays a crucial role in this practice. Inhale deeply as you open your hands, welcoming the world. Exhale slowly as you close your hands, grounding yourself. The magic of Mushtika Bandhana lies not just in the physical movement but in the awareness it brings. As your hands dance and your breath syncs with your movements, focus your awareness on the stretching sensation and the rhythm of your breath. In summary, Mushtika Bandhana is a dance of the fingers, a symphony of movements that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit. It's a simple technique that enhances overall well-being, requiring only your presence and willingness to explore. So, why not give it a try? The benefits of this ancient practice are